In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on Shopee with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or someone who's just made their first purchase, knowing how to track your order is an essential part of the shopping experience. It not only gives you peace of mind, but also allows you to plan accordingly for the arrival of your package. So let's dive right in and break down this simple process. To begin with, you'll need to go to the Shopee website. Open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and type in Shopee's URL. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the homepage filled with various product recommendations, promotions, and deals. While it's tempting to start shopping right away, let's stay focused on our task at hand, tracking your order. After you're on the homepage, your next step is to navigate to your profile. Usually, this is located at the top right corner of the page where you'll see an icon or your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, find and click on My Purchases. This section of the site is your personal hub for all things related to your recent and past transactions. It's where Shopee keeps a detailed record of everything you've bought, along with their respective order statuses. Once you've accessed My Purchases, you'll be presented with a list of your recent orders. Scroll through this list and find the specific item or items you wish to track. If you've been shopping a lot, you might need to skim through a few entries, but worry not. The items are typically listed in chronological order, making it easier to navigate. Alongside each product listing, you'll often find additional information like the date of purchase and the estimated delivery timeframe. Here comes the moment you've been waiting for. When you've located the desired item, look for the Track Order button. Clicking on this will provide you with all the tracking details and updates provided by the courier service handling your package. This feature is invaluable as it keeps you informed about your package's journey from the warehouse to your doorstep. You'll be able to see if your item is still being processed, has been shipped, or is out for delivery. It's like having a real-time update of where your package is and when you can expect it. And that's it. You've successfully tracked your order on Shopee. With these easy-to-follow steps, you now have the knowledge to check the status of any of your purchases and stay informed throughout the delivery process. Happy shopping, and may all your future packages arrive swiftly and safely.